Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Articulary, where we make the content about eco-friendly home decor ideas, tips and tricks, and so much more. In today's video, we were going to talk about the 3 ideas for holiday home decor that you could use to decorate your upcoming holidays, the Christmas, the Thanksgiving, the New Year. So let's dive in. Before we go park, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Videos you'll be get notified about it. Also, you can check our website, that's at www.articulary.com. You can check out the art printables that we have, also the art posters, the frame art prints. A lot more is there on our website, which you can very well purchase and get it or read it for your home decor. The first idea that I have for you is also amazing for home decor, is make a creative advent calendar. So right now we are almost about the end of the year. You could make an advent calendar for the entire 2021 in your home decor in your room. This could be an amazing home decor idea if you are doing it for your kids or for your loved ones, for your girlfriend, boyfriend, for your husband, your wife, whatever it is. You could, if you are a kid, you could also do your for your parents, for your siblings, for your sisters, for your friends. So this could be an amazing idea. You could actually have the memories of the pictures of the entire memories that you had in the 2021, and you could hang them on the wall according to the calendar, each calendar month, and you could decorate it. It could represent amazing holiday as well, new year as well. This could be an amazing idea for the birthday party as well, for the anniversaries as well. And depending on your budget, if you are highly on a budget, then you don't need to go with expensive items. If you are over the budget, you could very well purchase the good quality. You can turn a kitchen garland into an advent calendar, attach a ribbon across it, and then hang little thin containers labeled with the day of the month and fill them with the treats. So this was just a short example which you could do as a hang the buckets and the metal buckets, and you could place the treats in them. Or either way, you could hang the pictures as well, depending on the what kind of month you had and you collected them, and so on. The next idea, the second idea that I have for you is you can place the mugs or the crockery items or the glassware items that you already have in the kitchen as a display. This could be an amazing idea, and it could be really, really in a budget, because you don't need to purchase a new crockery items, a new mugs or new glassware items. You could very well use that you already have, just clean it up, and polish it if you want to, and you could place them on your dining table, in your living room as well, where you have a desk, your table, or kind of like a wardrobe where you can place these, and you could use them as a display, because these look pretty amazing. And you could even have kind of like a lighting with that, a short kind of lighting, which actually kind of like add like a cherry on a cake kind of stuff, and that could actually use to decorate it. It could be really, really on a budget. You don't need to buy a new one. You can already use the one that you have at your home, and you just need to take all them out and display on the table, on the desk, on the dining room to decorate it. Just take it out wherever you have, in your wardrobe, in your kitchen, in your table, in your wardrobe, whatever, wherever it is. Just use it and decorate it. The idea that I have for you is use a ladder. You could have a ladder where there's like a wood, and you could hang the wires in that, or maybe a plastic item in that, and then you could hang the different pictures with the paper clips, or you could also hang the treats or the bonuses or different kinds of gift items. Whatever you could do, you could play around with the ladder, and you could just place this ladder in your door room, in your living room, in your main room, in your bedroom, in your kitchen. Like, you can place it wherever you want to. It could be an amazing idea. You could also place it in the garden if you're throwing a party in your garden, an evening party or an afternoon party or a morning party, whatever it is. You could just place it there as well. Instead of opening a flimsy cardboard box, hang up a DIY advent calendar on a ladder on the tree. So you can also hang the calendar, which I talk in the first one, in this ladder itself. If you don't want to do it, then you could simply hang the photographs, the gifts, the presents, the all the achievements that you had, or the things that kept as a memory on. You could hang them. Decorated muslin craft bags, concealed treats, toys, and messages from the sun. Then you can fill them again next year too. So that's an amazing idea. You could very well use it, and you could try it. Hopefully you find today's video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below which of them would be using it for your home decor ideas for this Christmas. I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. Hopefully you find it useful. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.